To be honest, I was just thinking, my God, what in the hell is happening?
At the time, you just go with it.
The paediatricians can't believe that she was ever that sick little baby. It's quite amazing. She's full of mischief. She's got lots of little friends. You hear of the Royal Flying Doctors and you hope that you never ever need them. I honestly don't know how a community would survive without a service like that.
His bone snapped in two, and then we realised he'd broken his arm really badly. I never would have thought that I would have had to use the service just on a day trip to Rottnest. Make sure you support the Flying Doctor service. It's a fantastic service for the community.
If it wasn't for Royal Flying Doctors, I wouldn't have a husband. Sam wouldn't have a father. So they're lifesavers. He was driving down the road in a triple road train. He'd had a severe heart attack and had a cardiac arrest. I didn't realise that a cardiac arrest was where you'd actually died. He was out for 4.5 minutes. Royal Flying Doctors are amazing to me. They saved my husband, so they mean the world to us. Without them, we wouldn't have him now at all.